In a move that has sent shockwaves through the political landscape, former FBI Director James Comey has been indicted on charges of making false statements and obstructing a congressional proceeding, just days after President Donald Trump publicly called for his prosecution. But here's where it gets controversial. This indictment comes amid growing concerns about the politicization of the justice system and the erosion of norms that have long safeguarded it from presidential interference. And this is the part most people miss. The charges stem from Comey's 2020 testimony, where he stood by his 2017 statements regarding the leak of information about an FBI investigation into the Clinton Foundation, despite conflicting accounts from his deputy, Andrew McCabe. The indictment, handed down by a grand jury in Alexandria, Virginia, has sparked a heated debate. Is this a legitimate pursuit of justice or a politically motivated attack on a Trump critic? Trump himself celebrated the news, labeling Comey as one of the worst human beings the country has ever seen. Meanwhile, Comey has vehemently denied the charges, stating, "We will not live on our knees, and you shouldn't either." The appointment of Lindsay Halligan, a former insurance lawyer with no criminal prosecution experience, as the acting U.S. attorney who brought the charges, has raised eyebrows. Her previous role as a special assistant tasked with removing improper ideology from Smithsonian museums, and her connection to Trump's legal circle, have fueled suspicions of political bias. Adding to the intrigue, career prosecutors in her office reportedly sent her a memo arguing against the indictment, citing a lack of probable cause. This case is a powder keg of conflicting narratives and political tensions. Comey's defense team, led by the renowned Patrick Fitzgerald, is gearing up for a fight, insisting on Comey's innocence. Meanwhile, Trump's critics, like Senator Adam Schiff, accuse the president of weaponizing the Department of Justice for retribution. The resignation of Comey's son-in-law, Troy Edwards, as a federal prosecutor, further underscores the deep divisions this case has wrought. As the legal battle unfolds, one question looms large. Can justice truly be served in an environment where political allegiances seem to overshadow the rule of law? The American public is left to grapple with this dilemma, as the lines between legitimate prosecution and political vendetta blur. What do you think? Is this indictment a step towards accountability or a dangerous precedent in the politicization of justice? The comments section is open for a spirited debate.